Guys, welcome to today's video. I am super excited for today's video because we're going to be playing with some new makeup that I got. Two things that I'm still waiting for that are still coming from Amazon. So hopefully I'll get them soon, but yeah, let's get started. So the first thing is a primer. Now I think this primer is a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. I think it is, I'm not sure. This is the Honest Beauty Everything Primer, Glow Primer. I'm really excited to use it. I only kind of swatched it on the back of my hand. I haven't applied it to my face. Now, with this, I normally would apply a primer with a brush, but I want to see how this just works with my fingers. So that's what we're going to be doing. That's what we're going to use to apply this. So that looks like, you can already tell that it looks kind of identical to the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. Now, I haven't used that product either, so I don't really know if it's a dupe for it, but I've heard a lot of great things. So I'm just going to start by priming the face. Ooh, I really like how it feels on the skin. It's really nice. Okay, I'm loving this product. It's amazing. Normally, I'm gonna go ahead and prime the eyes really quick, but normally, whatever face I'm using that day, I go in to use it for priming the eyes. So that's what I'm gonna use for the eyes, for priming the eyes today. But normally I would go straight into the eyes after doing my face primer, but today we're not. I'm just gonna go straight into the face makeup. I just want to get the eyes nice and ready. Okay. Next is this powder puff triangle thing. Now, I saw this on TikTok. There's, I think, two things that I got that were from TikTok, that I've seen on TikTok. This is one of them. I'm not exactly sure how you're supposed to use it. If you're supposed to, like, squirt the product onto this first and then blend it in, or if you're supposed to put it on the face first and then blend it in. I don't know. I think it's supposed to act like a sponge, so I'm gonna do that like that. Okay, we're gonna start with the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue tinted gel cream. I'm just going to apply this with my fingertips first. Just kind of dot it in places so we can use the powder puff. I'm kind of nervous because I've never used something like this before and I don't really know how to use it. I mean, I did see a lot of TikTok videos on how to use it, and YouTube videos, but I've never actually done it myself. I don't know if you're also supposed to wet it. I saw someone do that, I think, but this application with it, definitely really like that. Oh, and I got, where's it? A 6-pack with it. That's pretty cool. So I think I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try putting some of it on the back of it. I'm just experimenting here to see what I like better when applying this. You can also use it for concealer as well, which I really like to get like right in here. And that's what we're going to do right now. So I'm going to take my favorite concealer. This is the Jafra Cream Concealer in Light. I'm just going to just use it like this. That's definitely really easy to get in the under eye area. And then what I also like to do, I'm going to take what's ever left on the sponge, I keep saying sponge, on the powder puff and just go over the eyes with it. Because I kind of like to cancel out any discoloration on the lids before going in with eyeshadow, even though we did also already prime the eyes. Okay, I definitely do really like this product. It's nice. I'm going to do the rest of my face makeup and then come right back. We'll continue doing the eyes. I don't think I'm gonna get I got a new eyeshadow palette from Amazon. I don't think it's gonna be coming in time before I finish the video, so I'm gonna show you guys the eyeshadow palette. Okay, this next product I've already used before. There are two products that I've used, pretty much everything I actually used already, but this is for lashes. This is the Velour Lash and Go 3-in-1 eyeliner plus magnetic lash adhesive. I absolutely love this. This is amazing. Now, I do keep it in this little container because I think that this container is the cutest thing ever, so I just keep it in there. So since I've played around with this already, I kind of don't like to use the applicator tip. This tip, I mean, it's really nice and pointy, but I feel like I don't get a precise application with this tip, so I go in with a brush instead, like this one. This is the Ardell bent glue brush. This is my favorite brush to apply any sort of lash adhesive. It's amazing. So I'm just going to apply some of the, actually first let me show you the lashes that are going to be applied. So I went through a lot of lashes to find the one that kind of suits me and the kind that I kind of really like. So I think I found them. I have two that I really like that I go between, but I recently destroyed them accidentally, and I went back to Target to find them, and I did not have them at Target, which was so sad. But these are the next best thing. They're both from Ardell. The other ones were the Foam Mink 815 lashes. They were like my favorite lashes. I absolutely love them. But these are also from Ardell. These are the Demi wispy lashes, and I absolutely love them. So I definitely do like the pack lashes, just because if I ruin that lash, or if the lashes are at its end, I can go in and use a different pair from the pack rather than go out and buy a new pair of lashes immediately. I like that there's a pack, which is nice. So this is the lashes that we are going to apply today. Now, this liner does work with magnetic lashes, but we're not going to do the magnetic lashes today. We're going to be doing that in a different video to use these lashes today. So like I said before, and I already cut and trimmed the first pair. They're in my little lash kit thing here. So now we are going to just apply a small amount of the lash glue liner to this brush. I'm just going to line the upper lash line. I definitely am more precise with the brush, and yeah, I guess just more precise with the brush. I found out that I like to use an applicator when applying this, when using this lash glue. It's a lot easier than using like the the Duo clear glue adhesive. There, we're on. Yay! And it's a lot quicker for me with this glue, which I really like. Or should we say glue liner? Okay, I'm gonna do the other eye and we'll be right back. The last thing, makeup product that we're going to play with is this. I am super excited. I've wanted this for a long time, and I finally got my hands on it. This is the Tattoo Lipstick Cotton Swab Lip Tint. I got the multicolored one, and I've already used 2 of them. They're so much fun. So there are, let's see, 4 colors. Let's just use this one. They're a little tricky to open, I noticed, but oh, do you just peel it? Just peel it. Finally got it open, yay. So what you're supposed to do is decide with the orange kind of line. You're supposed to break. The first time I did it, I was so scared when I broke it, because I was just like, what if it like drips out? But I did, which is great. So let's do it. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna apply it now. I love it. I think it's such a cool concept that it's in the Q-tip. I think it's so cool. That was it for today's video. I guess I could tell you what else I got that is still coming. I got the ColourPop That's Coat, not that good. ColourPop Going Coconuts eyeshadow palette. I'm super excited to use that. And I also got a new eyelash applicator that I think is going to be a lot easier than like this shape. Those two products will come in, will be in my next video.